Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I got this really cute, long, sleek braid. It was really quick and fast, very simple and easy. So if you'd like to see how I got it, just continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So right here, I'm just going ahead and parting my hair straight down the middle since I am going to be doing a middle part low braid. Just going ahead and getting it ready so I can go ahead and form it into my ponytail. Right here, what I'm doing is going ahead and pulling some of my hair out, just the top pieces that's going to be laying on top of my ponytail, and mainly just the perimeter, just so I can just have a good base whenever I get ready to go ahead and gel my hair down. So today for my braided ponytail, I'm going to be using this Xpression's braiding hair. I picked it up in my beauty supply for like $5, which you can't beat. What I'm going to be doing is taking that rubber band right there and just wrapping it around the ponytail that I already have. So whenever I do start to braid, I'll just braid my hair until the, braiding hair braid. As you can see, I'm just stretching the braiding hair out just so that, it can have a good little look to it. Once I start braiding it, it won't be like a blunt cut straight across. As you can see, I was kind of having a little rough time trying to get the hair separated into, you know, the 3 pieces so I could do my braid. It was a little hard. I did end up having to cut the hair because it was too long and it kept tangling at the ends. So once I cut it, it ended up doing just right. So as you can see, I'm just pulling some hair and separating it from my ponytail just so I can go back and use that same hair later to wrap around my braided ponytail. So my braid actually started messing up because I was trying to braid while sitting down, as you can see. So I went ahead and finished it off camera, and I just came back. And what I'm doing right now is just trimming the hairs, like the flyaways, and just hair sticking out of the braid because we don't want it to look raggedy. So now what I'm doing is just taking the hair that I wrapped around top of my hair and just cutting it a little bit. What I'm going to do is just brush it out a little bit so I can go ahead and wrap it around my ponytail. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of gossip just so it can stay. So right here, I'm just taking my scarf off after I've let it sit for a while. I'm just going to be taking some hair out from my sides a little bit, just creating a little bit of baby hair, you know, just to give me that finished look. And I'm just taking that same edge control that I used to slick my hair down into the ponytail to create those baby hairs. And that is the finished look. I think it came out really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.